friends, it's Julia with Mom and Pop Shop. Today we're going to do a little elevated, a little fancy anytime pop using our ice tray. So this is kind of maybe for your adult friends. I like to put fancy ice cubes in my water. I really don't like drinking water, but I know it's healthy, so you have to drink a lot of water. So if I trick myself into thinking it's fancy water, then I'll drink more of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some chamomile tea with lemon and honey. So I have my tea all made, so I'm going to pour that into my bowl. And then I'm going to add my lemon. So here's my lemon. I'm going to cut some slivers to make my ice cubes look super pretty, because it just makes me feel like having a very fancy drink rather than just plain old water. Okay, so now you have your lemon. Here's another trick is you could use tongs that you have to squeeze your lemon. Right? Pretty nifty. Yeah, so you don't have to have fancy equipment to make popsicles. Just find stuff around your kitchen. And then I'm going to get a little bit of honey just to sweeten it. Okay. And I have just the cutest whisk in the world. So we're going to mix that up. And if you want to add some more fun flavors to it, I like to do a little ginger. Ginger's really good for digestive system. So this is real old people talk, but all of your adult friends will appreciate this. So add a little ginger powder. You could add some fresh ginger if you want. And then you got turmeric, which is also really good for inflammation and just one of those good superfoods that are out there. So I'm going to mix it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to pour the mixture into my ice tray. Now for this one, I guess it's not technically a popsicle because I'm not going to add any sticks. Because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this to my water to give me a little boost of flavor. And then you get your pretty little lemon wedges. Oh, it's just so pretty. Okay. All right, I'm going to put that in the freezer and we'll check on them in 6 hours. All right, they're ready. So I got my really cute and fancy ice cubes. You can really see the lemon wedges. I'm just gonna enjoy my water with some fancy ice cubes. Perfect. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and visit our website to download these recipes and tips.